I remember waking up and feeling a deep ache in my lower back before my feet even hit the floor. My joints felt stiff, my energy was flat, and just getting out of bed felt like a massive effort. If you're a man who runs his own business, you likely know this exact feeling. You wake up with joint pain. You check your smartwatch and your resting heart rate is sitting at 82 beats per minute. And you tell yourself that it's just a natural part of getting older. You tell yourself that because you've been pushing hard in business for 2 decades, your body is just wearing out. But it's not. You're an incredibly capable man. Your business success has demonstrated that. But right now, you're treating a high-performance engine like it belongs parked in the driveway. Welcome to the Resurrection Series. I am Acusio Bivona. The world tells men like us that slowing down and stiffening up is just the cost of time. They tell us to accept the pain, take it easy, and just manage the decline. But we don't deal in average advice. We deal in physical reality as business owners. And we're not aging rapidly. We're just idling. And an idling engine eventually will seize. So today, I'm going to show you the honest truth about why your body is locking up. And we will map out how to use physical strength as the ignition switch to rebuild the man. Let's start by understanding the physical truth of our bodies. It operates on a very simple, unbreakable rule. Use it or lose it. When you remove the physical requirement from your life, when you spend all your time sitting behind a desk, making decisions, and letting your physical training go dormant, your body is registering that lack of movement as a signal to shut down. So your joints ache not because they're old, but because they're stiff from a lack of use. Your heart rate is high not because of your age, but because your heart is struggling to pump fuel through a system that doesn't move. When you don't apply physical load to your body, the hardware rusts. I know personally what an idling engine feels like. A few years ago, my life took a huge hit. My relationship vanished, a big contract evaporated, and my entire environment collapsed. I spent all my energy just trying to navigate the fallout from a screen. I stopped getting outside as much. I stopped going snowboarding and hiking out in Griffith Park. I stopped moving heavy weight entirely for a brief period of time. But very quickly, my body started to seize up, and my joints hurt, and I felt a decade older than I actually was. And I realized that if I allowed my physical hardware to remain parked in the driveway, I would never execute the comeback I was designed to do. So I had to put the engine back to work. So how do we stop this idling and get our power back? You don't need an anti-aging cream, a massage gun, or even an easier schedule. You just need the ignition switch. And there are 3 steps to reactivate your machine. Step 1 is you got to turn the key, and you do that by applying physical tension. You must lift heavy weight, because when you put a heavy barbell on your back, you're forcing the engine to rev. You're providing undeniable proof to your body that physical strength is required for your survival. That tension is the absolute ignition switch that pulls your physical power back online. Step 2, move the machine. A high-performance body needs to cover ground. You have to get out of the chair. Whether that's a heavy carry, a strict daily walking standard, or getting out into the mountains like I love to do, you must remind your hardware what it was built to do. And step 3 is secure the fuel. You can't fuel a high-performance engine with cheap gas. You base your daily meals on high-quality protein, aiming for roughly 1 gram per pound of your ideal body weight. You give your body the exact raw materials it needs to repair the joints and rebuild the strongest version of yourself. If you're watching this video, there's a chance that you're leaving a massive percentage of your power buried simply because your engine is sitting idle. So I'm here to tell you that it's time to put the machine back to work. It's time to rebuild your foundation. If anything in this video has landed, the front door is a 90-minute triage audit with me. This is a system diagnostic, and we will look at your exact daily routine, locate where the engine is seizing, and map out the blueprint to reactivate your highest level of performance. The link to book your triage audit is in the description, but it's also at coachcoos.com/briefing. Let's reclaim your power. I am Acusio Bivona, and I'll see you in the trenches.